is 5:30. How are we feeling? Not too great. My hair's not too shabby, but waiting on our flight. Yeah.
It's American Airlines.
No, it's Southwest.
Oh, Southwest.
Yeah. Okay. We just got to New York, yeah, in New Jersey, and we're trying to find somewhere to eat because we're hungry, but it's not. But they all just had breakfast, and we're hungry for lunch. Look, they know how to do Pride Month right. Okay. So it's 11 o'clock. I just had my big breakfast and I'm so tired. I'm just so tired. I had a little nap on the plane, woke up and I had drool on my hand, which is kind of gross. But now we're gonna have to wait for our next flight to Boston, which is in like 2 hours. So I'm here, chilling, drinking my Mountain Dew. So this is what I've resorted to. Oh, playing this game. And I'm dead. This bird. Do you have to eat that really, like, do you have to eat it that loud? This bird though. He's alone and sad. I think he's sad. He's the only one here. I think he's sad. The bird. Sad. Okay, so like normal candy store, right? Lick. American. Lick. So weird.
Nick.
Lick.
We're scheduled to be in the air for 40 minutes. One extended thank you to our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team here to make sure you have a good flight. While
We made it! Yeah! Guys, we made it! Yeah! Woo! Look at this hotel room. It's like the whole tiny apartment. Got a stove, sink, whole fridge, microwave. Good old hotel hairdryer.
Okay. Well,
Basic shower. So yeah. Okay. I look great, but so we're walking half a mile to the store called Wegmans or something. I don't know how you pronounce it. To get groceries because we have a stove in our hotel room. And that's kind of dumb because I don't want to walk. It's dumb. Hey, wait, let's not die. They're signaling us now. Okay. Yeah. But we're pedestrians and it's kind of scary because I don't know if they're gonna yield. So we'll see what happens, I guess. Okay, so we got here and wait, it's like, look at this place. Look. It's so big. There's just so much stuff. I'm shook. I'm actually shook. So much stuff. Just, this place is so big. Are you okay? Whoa. There's even more. Look, there's a little train. That is so cute. That is honestly so adorable.
great.
Okay. I have a bag full of groceries, a sling bag, and Mom has a thing. We just walked in there and got chips and stuff, and like microwavable stuff, and we just bought like, well, how much was it? Like $30 worth of microwavable stuff. So, yeah, we're gonna dine like kings tonight. We're basically making this place our home. Basically making this place our home.